Hello, and welcome to the Spatial Model tutorial number 8. The current video is about pair prediction results and prediction quality. After you finish this video, you will be familiar with the term and the measurement method of prediction results. How it can evaluate the results and what type of alarms it generates when the prediction has low quality. You can use several charts to estimate prediction results. You access these charts by selecting a pair from the list of pairs and then clicking on the circled button. Once you click it, the pair charts window will show. The spatial limits chart is automatically displayed as you enter the charts panel. The dates period related to the chart is on the upper part of the screen. By default, the dates range display 1 month back from the current time. However, the date range can be changed, and clicking the refresh button will reproduce the chart. The chart includes 4 lines. Upper and lower spatial limits with gray color. Predicted value with green color and actual value with blue color. When all goes well, the green and the blue lines should be close to each other and between the upper and lower gray lines. Next is the actual versus predicted chart. The horizontal axis represents the actual values. The vertical axis is the predicted value. Each dot in the chart is a combination of actual versus predicted. The red line shows perfect prediction, which is a line with a slope of 45 degrees. Any deviation from this line reflects a bad prediction. The next chart shows the time-adjusted actual value in the source station versus the real value in the destination. Once again, the perfect prediction is on the red line. However, the meaning of deviation from the red line here means something else. A systematic deviation from the line shows that something happens to the water between the two stations. For example, in the case of chlorine, the chlorine evaporates. Hence, the value at the source will always be lower than the value at the destination. The next chart shows a histogram of the deviations between actual and predicted. The horizontal axis of the chart shows the deviation given in percent. The vertical axis shows the density. Under perfect prediction, most of the density should be centered around the zero deviation. An extended distribution shows poor prediction performed by the model. The deviation of the center of the histogram indicates the systematic deviation of the model. The last chart is the limit violation chart. This chart paints a picture of the many spatial limits violations in the given period and their length. The horizontal axis is the number of samples, while the vertical axis is the number of occurrences. For example, the bar with a height of 2 located near the tick mark, with 6 indicates that 2 events occurred, in which a violation of the spatial limits lasted 6 minutes. This chart can use for calibration of the spatial model alerts delay time. We hope that this tutorial was helpful. If you have any comments, please update in our website.